It is. What do you want?
Alright, so hell yeah, welcome back. This is round 2. This time we got different upgrades. See, this is the second startup. Now we got gloves, you know.
You look dark as hell.
That would look darker. But hey, we still got some faithful clients, you know. Real honest, real loyal. That's what I'm looking for. You get you some loyal customers. See, here today we got basically one of our very first customers that we got. You know, they haven't had a wash in like about 6-7 months. We try to go do something within the back end. We didn't even work, but here we are. Back again, square one. And here we have this beautiful Mercedes S580, I think. I think it's S580. It's marvelous. Okay. Then you said you gotta do this for fun. It's for fun. We're gonna freestyle. It's for fun.
Even now, you're gonna show it.
It's for fun. We're gonna edit this. It's gonna be jiggy. It's gonna be flowy. So come on over, tune in. Welcome to our row. This is the second start of something great. Yeah, so we're trying to get back into the mobile part again. We have like one guy there that can kind of, because during the weekends it gets really busy, you know.
Yeah.
And during the week it's like super slow.
One thing you're a good kid, so I'm going to give you both advice. Don't lose what, like for example, I started off with engineering. I never let engineering go. I put on the architects there. Then I started construction. Then I started selling the building. Now it's a big, huge, 160, 170 people. But I never let go what started the business.
Right?
See,
this is the second time we came to this house. It rains when we're doing the detail. Last time we waited out, but this time ain't no waiting out. It's a storm coming, y'all. So be ready, be prepared.
We were getting the lessons from him.
Yeah, but today we got some insightful. Today we learned how to not make a bad deal 1-to-1, y'all.
So
listen,
we did a lot for now having this thing.
Yeah. So basically, he
can put it inside.
It sums up our whole existence right now. We do a lot just for this.
No, but he could put the car inside. Let's clean it up. Washing the car in the middle of the rain, bro. It's crazy.
That's all you gotta do. It's really out of love. Because the customer could have came out here and said, y'all done, it's a wrap. We learned some valuable lessons. Today's a day for lessons.
That should be a lesson that we should tell people. You gotta give people lessons.
Alright, so yeah, he said share the lesson. A lesson that I learned this past few months is that take it slow, Make sure you're really prepared and make sure it makes sense, If it doesn't make sense, it don't make money. If it don't make money, it don't make sense. At the end of the day, also put God first. You gotta put God first at all things. Don't go out there it's really hard. Don't go out there out of your wisdom and stuff. Because your wisdom will fool you. It will corrupt your mind. And yeah, man, we got these beautiful GLC.
You're just talking so much. That was the last one. Thank you. It's like 3.
We for sure gotta graduate. We need a stable job.
That's the reason why he quit his job to go to the other one, right?
No. Guys, listen.
Yeah, I'm the one that don't want to listen to this graduation thing, man. Unless you love it. Me, I'll tell you, if you like being an engineer or whatever, you feel like it's like that, bro, do it. If not, bro, chase your dreams, bro.
Yeah,
'Cause if you graduate, you're gonna end up working for Steve Jobs or whoever is running the
What
company,
he's saying is, use that
and you're
as-
gonna be in a prison for life.
Now use that as leverage.
You're not gonna have leverage.
No, you didn't listen, bro. You didn't listen.
I don't want to hear what you're gonna say.
Because if you have something that's stable, right, a foundation. Look at him. He works so hard. He's a workaholic. He's a workaholic. He's a workaholic. He's a workaholic. He's a workaholic.